बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. This is Sayyid Sajid Gilani. We are going to talk about another topic, another video number 3, lecture number 3 is about English language. It's not language, it's not language, it's language, English language. First word we have is comfortable. It's not comfortable, it's comfortable, comfortable. R is silence here. Another word is Wednesday. Wednesday नहीं, Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday कहेंगे आप इसको, Wednesday. We have another word communication, not communication, 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 communication. It's not communication. We have another word is water. It's not water, it's water, water. R is silence. We have another word is pizza. It's not pizza. T here, pizza, pizza. It's not pizza. We have learned 4 to 6 words in 30 to 35 seconds. If you want to learn more English words, if you want to touch with me, you have to do only one thing, is kindly subscribe my channel, go to YouTube, search Sajid Gilani, and also click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will receive the notification of every video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.